Good morning, students. Good morning, students, especially to Shubhkamna Academy. In fact, I am specially dedicating this video to Shubhkamna Academy. Let me tell you briefly something about myself. I am Umesh Roda, entrepreneur. I am running 4-5 businesses. By qualification, I am chartered accountant. I am running my resort. I am running hotels and resto bars. I am having boutique and spas, as well as we are having investment in real estate. Right, currently just I am writing one book by the name of Mark Your Presence, which will be just due to this lockdown, publishing of that got delayed. The word, how it sounds to you, especially I am asking Shubhkamna Academy students, mark your presence means अपनी छाप छोड़ो. God has blessed us such a beautiful life. We should not die like this, just like that. मतलब we should do something big. At least we ourselves and our parents could feel proud about it. God has made the difference between animal and a human being. Animal could not plan, could not make efforts to do something big, but we human being could do that. There is old saying na, survival is natural but success is not. सर्वाइवर अगर गली का कुत्ता भी पैदा हुआ है वो भी सर्वाइव करेगा, हम भी सर्वाइवर में. इज नो एफर्ट्स यू नीड टू पुट. भगवान ने 2 वक्त की रोटी देनी ही देनी है. सर्वाइवल इज नेचुरल, सक्सेस इज नॉट. दैट इज द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अवर लाइफ. वी नीड नॉट टू पुट एफर्ट टू जस्ट टू गेट सर्वाइव. आवर एफर्ट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दैट कि वी शुड सर्वाइव एंड हमें 10 से 5 की जॉब मिल जाए, ये हो जाए. दैट इफ दिस इज द एफर्ट टारगेटिंग यू आर टारगेटिंग, फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. यू विल गेट इट. नीड नॉट टू पुट मच एफर्ट्स. इफ यू रियली वांट्स टू डू समथिंग बिग, यू वांट टू डू सम, मार्क योर प्रेजेंस, यू वांट टू believe that ki people will remember you for your big things, then only you need to put some special efforts. This is all about my books, and certainly apart from study, apart from doing daily exercise, apart from everything, this corona lockdown thing has given us such a beautiful opportunity to give time to yourself. There is no any extra burden, no deadlines to meet, no examinations were happening, and no, you need not to go outside this thing. You were there. कहते हैं ना, बाहर निकलना आपके लिए मना था, बट आपको अंदर जाने से मना नहीं कर रखा. आपने अपने अंदर जाना है. आप बोलोगे अपने अंदर जाने का मतलब क्या है यार? जस्ट डू सेल्फ एनालिसिस. जस्ट डू सेल्फ एनालिसिस कि बेसिकली what I am planning to do, what all my goals are, what I am wanted to, where I wanted to see myself after 5 years down the line, or am I ready for that things or not, and what all extra efforts we need to do, what all extra course we need to do, what all basically discipline we need to follow. This all thing we need to do by self analysis. Or I am sure that Shubhkamna Academy is doing wonderful in that for students. But ultimately you individually need to do for yourself, nobody else. अगर आपने वेट घटाना है तो एक्सरसाइज और आपकी डाइटिंग आपको करनी है. सिमिलरली nobody else could do effort for yourself. You need to do efforts for yourself. So considering that, I am just advising all students of Shubhkamna Academy, do self-analysis, use this Corona lockdown period properly, think about what are goals of your life, make your action plan towards that, break that big goal into small part, make mid-term, short-term goals, and live your life by achieving that small goals. Make that habit of achieving all your goals. People make goals, you see, we everybody make New Year resolutions कि हम ये करेंगे, हम वो करेंगे, but 95% do not achieve that. They just forget within 1 week of New Year's. I am just telling you, 5% of world population is holding 95% of world wealth. Means only 5% are holding entire net wealth of the world. Rest 95% are just average people. It's not a coincidence. Similarly, that 95% do promises, but they make goals, but they don't achieve that. They don't focus it properly. They don't put their 100% efforts to achieve that. That is the difference between successful people and an average people. I will not use unsuccessful people. People even don't know what is success is. Success is a journey. We need to keep achieving small goals and keep achieving that success. We need to make our habit of achieving successes. We don't know what exactly success is. Getting 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore rupees is not success. We need to make balance in life. Or all this thing is mentioned what exactly success and how a student should achieve success and how they could mark their presence in their life. Everything is mentioned. I am wishing all the good luck to Shubhkamna Academy students. Just use this time. Use corona precautions, social distancing. This putting mask is 90% precautions, is 90% safety. You will not get affected. Whenever you are going out, use this mask. And I will only wish you good luck. Put your best effort and mark your presence. Don't live average life. Love you. Stay safe. Stay home. God bless you.